Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's my wife. Say hi, mom.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Alright, so anyway, we are doing our first performance upgrade for our 2022 SR-5 Toyota Tundra. You struggling there? Alright, so we got we're installing this as soon as she is able to open it. I have anyway, we got a story for the wheels that's coming up on the next video. It's we were able to fit 35-inch wheels, 35 by 12 and a half, 18 with no lift. So stay tuned and I'll tell you how I did it. Oh wow, that's nice. So this is original TRD part. Careful with the filter, mom. So obviously we need two because it's twin turbo. So this is the TRD drop-in performance filter. Ever since I was a kid, back in the 80s, I always had K&N filters on all my cars. So this is just a normal thing. I'll take a picture of the part number and post it later. But obviously you need two, guys. Twin turbo. First off, need to pop the hood. You want to open the hood, mom? I'll teach you. So you just grab in here. Remember what we taught the kid? Yeah, and then push to the left. And then it'll like that. Feel for it. There you go, and it opens by itself. Alright, so this is a drop-in filter and it is the easiest upgrade you can ever do. And I think it's worth it. It's actually like I think it was like $42 each. So you need two. Open that and then just pull up. Yeah, so we just pulled it up. Just pull this up after you remove the clip. Oh, that's what it looks like in there. So that might be like I don't know what that is, but it might be like it's there for a purpose. Sound maybe? I don't know. But yeah, it's supposed to be oily. Got it? Alright, so when they say drop in, you literally drop it in. So here we go. Alright, there it is, guys. Brand new filter. We got the car last Tuesday, so we had the car for 5 days, and this is our first performance upgrade. It's TRD air filter drop in. So let's just go ahead and do the other side and let's go for a test drive. So guys, you just gotta make sure that this snaps in. It goes in the slot and pull the clips and you're in there. That's it. This one goes back in the box and save it for the next owner, like 12 years from now. Hold on, mom. Alright, so we remove the clip and just pull up. Alright, you want to grab that, mom? Okay. And put the TRD side on the left side. Yeah, there it is. I don't know. It doesn't really matter, but I like it. I like doing that way. Alright, so goes right in there. And then clip. Now we're in. Make sure it's in, sealed. Then Just like the old school clip. Bam. Be careful, guys. I just hit my head right there. My goodness. That was pretty sharp. Ow. That hurts. So, here we are. Nice and secured. Lock. So, we're gonna go on a test drive. I don't know if it's going to make a big difference, but it should. You ready for a test drive? Who's driving? Okay. Alright guys, going to test drive in a little bit. Before that, please watch our next video and I will explain how I fit 35-inch tires with no lift, no leveling kit, nothing. Although the leveling kit is on the way, I actually got the 2-inch leveling kit, but I ordered a 1.75 as well because I don't think I need, since it's not scraping right now. I think 175 is perfect because I still want my back to be a bit higher than the front. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated and please watch the next video on how I fit the 35-inch tires. Hi guys, we are test driving the car and big difference. I totally recommend it. It sounds a lot better, sounds more aggressive. You can hear the motor opening up, turbo, and definitely more power. TRD knows what they're doing. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching the video, and watch for the tire video soon coming up.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye bye.